Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So, I know that maybe some people find me annoying, and my friends also. They say that I'm too bearish, but up to now, I cannot really count 5 ways down, and very possible that this was the A, the B, and the C, and the C. Honestly, maybe this was the third wave. And let me zoom in a little bit. I know it's a little bit messy, but so this was the wave 3, and maybe this is the A, a B, overshooting wave C, overshooting wave B, and after that we are going to do this final C here. So I keep saying it. It's not because I say that it has to happen, but I put it there, so we are prepared for it. Okay, also now, if this was the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we ended this wave 1, I know some people, they count this as a wave, all this as a wave 4. And let me see here. I think I already did it a few times, and I don't find it's relevant, because if I do the Fibonacci retracement, I mean here we wick out. Okay, it's a wick, but okay, it's still possible. That's another possibility. So this was the 3, but just then, what is it? This is A, B, C for the A, and then overshooting wave B, still work, and then what? The C, and we go at the same point. I don't know. In my opinion, I find it makes more sense to say that this is what it's because if that was the case, then so this is a 3, A, B, C, that would have been the 4, and this is the 5th. Okay, so also work, I guess. But can we agree that any counts we do, we're expecting lower prices now? So unless we really skyrocketed and continue to skyrocket, but how high can you go in the same impulse? I mean, I have it here. Yes. So up to now we went up 46%. I mean, and this is since the 10th. So today we are the 20. In 10 days, 46%. That's very good for Bitcoin, but how sustainable can it be? Also, if I count this as a 5th wave, and this is the end of the first wave, and this is wave A, if I do the Fibonacci retracement, as you can see, a wave B can be overshooting wave B up to 1.618. In really, really extreme rare cases, it can go to the 2.618. I don't think it's going to go there, but up to now, if I go on the hour chart, okay, I can see that first of all it did react to the 1.05, which a wave C often goes here a little bit. It reacted also at the 1.382 and bounced back between the 1.382 and the 1.618. So now this is decision point. If it goes higher, then eventually I need to say, okay, no, it cannot be a wave B. It's not sustainable anymore. Let me add the 2x. So I would say if it goes over, yeah, but even there, it can go to the 2.618, and then I know that that's really extremely rare, but I mean it's Bitcoin. It's extremely rare. It's the rarest thing in Earth. So okay. So the other thing also is that now we're forming this ascending edge triangle, and usually this is bearish. So how far and how high will it go before it starts to fail? So this is another thing that we need to be aware. So this is why I'm expecting Bitcoin to actually stop going higher and then break this support and start to reach for lower prices. On the 1 hour, we can see that also it's it's weakening, I would say, the momentum. Also, the waves are getting smaller and smaller. On the 4 hours, we can see that we also losing some RSI levels, and then MACD, it talked by itself. And the most important one, as usual, it's the 1 hour. So we can see that now we just tip into the oversold. We can stay there for a while. And the MACD also, we are in a positive momentum with a nice big wave. Are we showing some sign of weakness? Yes, because we start to be a little bit more pale. But for sure the day is not finished, so we still have room to go. But if the most important thing is the price action, and then we're forming this ascending triangle. So usually this is a bearish. So I would say keep an eye on that, and I'm expecting soon lower prices. I'm expecting a correction like Ethereum, and then for sure Ethereum, it can also I would say this is the same analysis I'm doing with Ethereum. In my mind, is doing an overshooting wave B, and actually in Ethereum it's even better because it really stopped at 1.382, and now let's see if we can see a sharp decline to complete this wave C, or it's doing something else. This is also possible. On the 4 hours, I'm doing both Ethereum and Bitcoin since they're kind of closed. So we can see also that the RSI in it is declining. MACD same as Bitcoin, we're seeing a smaller reaction in the MACD, and on the daily also we can see that the RSI, we will see how far can it go, if it is still sustainable, can it reach higher levels. For sure, if it can, I'm going to be happy. Well, no problem, because I did get a little bit of Ethereum 2 days ago, and then just in case this fifth wave, it can make maybe reach the 1900 or something like that. But I just got a small quantity, and it's really for long-term hodling, because I do dollar cost average every 1 or 2 week. So this is pretty much all for today. And once again, I just got some ETH like 2 days ago, but it's a really minimum. It's like spare change. It's better to put it in ETH than keep it in fiat change, in my opinion. Alright, so this is pretty much all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.